Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you here. Alright, so in this video I'll be sharing with you how I made my castle body wash. Okay, so all we need for this body wash is your castle soap, this is a grinded one. If you don't use it in this form, you can grind it to the powder form, but I prefer using it like this. You'll see how I do it. Okay, now castor soaps are amazing natural cleanser with special benefit. Castor soap is a non-toxic biodegradable soap traditionally made from olive oil, though sometimes it is crafted from hemp, avocado or coconut oil as well. Skin benefits of this castor soap is that it is good for oily and acne prone skin. It is also safe for sensitive skin. Okay, castor soap naturally hydrates the skin and is a natural free radical protection. This soap also helps reduce inflammation. So this is it. All you have to do is I already did the large quantity. Okay, so I just want to show you. Use a smaller quantity. Just wash, please. This is it. You just need 1 minute, please. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, take a spoon. All right, you just need this and a warm water. Something like this is okay. And add warm water to it. Okay. Then cover. Mix until it becomes smooth. You just keep mixing it, okay, till it becomes smooth. It's easier to do it this way than using it in this form, okay? That's why I decided to blend mine before. You can see it. And I made use of warm water, not too hot, not too cold. You see? You just have to keep stirring till it becomes smooth. Please, if you're stopping by for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Of course, you are welcome to this big family. Click on the subscribe button. Notification bell will pop up. Hit the notification bell to enable you get updates each time we upload a new video. If you have any questions or whatever, you want to chat me up, you can send me a mail or DM me on Instagram at Elijah Timmy Rachel. I'm always there for you, okay? Now, one thing you can do is, if you want to make a tablet soup from this, don't add so much water so it can be thick. All you have to do is, when it's thick and smooth, you just pour it in here and add a little sodium lactate to it. to make it strong in a couple of minutes. But if you want it in the form of shower gel, body wash, you add more water to it till you are satisfied. Now what I'm doing is just the wash. I'm not doing it as a whitening body wash. Of course, if you want it to work for you as a whitening body wash, you have to add whitening oils to it, or whitening powder. Okay. If you are doing a small quantity like this, you don't need to add preservative. But if you want, yeah, you can do it. But if you're doing a large quantity like what I did here, of course, you must add your preservative to it. So I just add a little more of this warm water to it. You can see it's foamy. Let us well use it. You can use cold water if you want. Okay, previous one I use cold water for it. Sometimes I use cold water, sometimes I use warm water, but it's easier to use the warm water for beginners, except of course you're a pro and you can make use of cold water. Of course, if you've used my shower gel before, Timmy Skin Glow shower gel, remember I have a skincare brand called Timmy Skin Glow. If you use our product, you will know our shower gels are usually thick. Okay, to put the interest of my customers first. Usually shower gels, body wash are usually thick. So you can see how smooth it is.